Hey y'all, Diamond Painting Cajun here. How y'all doing today? If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. My name is Debbie. Everybody calls me Cajun. I have an unboxing from Amazon. Amazon unboxing. It's not spectacular, but it just came in, so I decided I was gonna unbox it because you know, you can never have too many of these. Just saying. How y'all doing today? I hope everybody's doing good. How was y'all weekend? I hope y'all weekend was good. How are y'all families? Y'all let me know all of these things in the comment section below. Everything I show y'all on my channel, I wanted to mention this in my last video. Everything, and I forgot. Everything I mentioned on my channel is going to be linked in the description portion of each video. So just so y'all know, in case I forget to mention it, now y'all know. Okay. All right. So this will also be linked in the description portion of this video. Ooh, I want to show my address. So let's see what we got. I know what we got. So we have this storage container. Yeah, everybody needs those, you know. Of course we do. Can never have enough storage, never. So I ordered this, and yeah, I ordered this because, you know, like I said, you can never have too much storage, because y'all know I want to kit up another diamond painting, right? I mean, why not? You only have one life to live, you know what I mean? Hey, if it makes me happy, I'll do it. Just saying. My head's probably cut off, but you know, I'm getting, I said this in the last video, I'm getting some camera equipment, a camcorder I ordered from Amazon, and it's not nothing big old fancy, but it's better than my phone, because this is eating up my storage on my phone. So I have to delete some of that stuff, y'all. But I keep having to delete it and everything. So I got a camcorder coming in. Yeah, it's gonna be here tomorrow. Yay! I'm excited because I won't have to use up the storage on my phone. And plus, we're going on our vacation, honeymoon anniversary trip next month. So I get to use it on our anniversary trip as well. I'm so excited. Yay. So I'm gonna open this and show y'all. So this is what it looks like, and it has two zippers. And this is what the bottom looks like, and this is what the top looks like. And the handle is collapsible, so you know, you can pick it up and push it down. See? And so this is what the inside looks like. It comes with all of these things, and I'm gonna go through it in a minute. This is a 60 jar storage container. These are the containers that come with it. So this holds 60 different colors. I love these. They come in very handy. If I wanna kit up, I order these a lot because if I wanna kit up another painting, I always have it kitted up. So when I work on it, I'll just pull whichever one that's in each one. And y'all, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. I do not have 5 kitted up. I have 1, 2. I do have 4. So this makes number 6, but you can never have enough because I thought it was pretty. Look how pretty it is. I love it. I'm just saying. But yeah, let's go through the contents. Okay, so it has some round stickers you can put on the tops of the bottles. That always comes in handy. It has a toolkit that comes with it. It comes with single placers, multi placers, baggies, a small tray, a big tray, and a big plate of wax. So that's what this particular kit came with. They don't always come with the same things, but this is what, and a pair of tweezers. This is what this one came with. And it also came with a when you put your drills in the containers, you can use a funnel. It's a funnel. It's a collapsible funnel. I'm not going to open it because I am going to include this right here in a giveaway. You know, it's going to be part of a giveaway package. So I'm going to include it in a giveaway package. Because when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do another diamond painting giveaway. But I got to get to 1,000 first. Yeah. I need a lot of watches and a lot of subscribers. But it's okay. If you don't want to subscribe, that's okay too. If you do, please, if you are thinking about it, hit that subscribe and like button. It really helps my channel. I mean, I'm not going to make you hit it. I'm not going to make you subscribe or make you like. If you like them, like. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. That's that. It's because that's me. I'm happy with whatever. As long as y'all watch and enjoy my videos, that's all I care about. If y'all enjoy them, that's good. That's what I want. You know, I'm good. I'm really good. I just like to do them. I really do. It makes my heart happy, you know. It just does. So, yeah, how y'all like this though? Y'all tell me how y'all like this in the comment section. Why I always want to say description. Good Lord. In the comment section, y'all tell me how y'all like this. Because look, it's pretty neat. And if y'all notice, watch. I'm going to show y'all. The back right here, it has a tiger on it. Yo, my nose don't stop itching. My allergies are cutting up. Look the tiger right here. I think it's so cute. It's very cute. I love it. I love it. And you can pack it up and take it with you. Because y'all, I am taking this probably, not this one. Probably one, but I don't know which one. A small one though. On vacation. So at night when I can't sleep because I have insomnia. I can't sleep, y'all, like bad. I don't stay up all night, but pretty much like a lot. So when I can't sleep, I work on diamond painting, and then I go and I watch videos and all that good stuff so I could sleep, because that's the only way I could fall asleep is like watching YouTube videos. So I do watch all y'all videos. So don't think I don't, because I do. I try to comment on a lot of them that I do watch, but I do watch y'all, believe me. I have plenty of time at night when I can't sleep to watch y'all. But that's how I fall asleep. So yeah, if you want this kit, it'll be linked in the description portion of this video once again, and it is from Amazon. I really don't know how much I paid for it. I forgot. I think it was like $21 or something. It really wasn't that bad. So, you know, I have Amazon Prime, so, but I think it was like $21 if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on it, but I will link it in the description portion so y'all could follow the link and y'all know. I'm not an affiliate. I bought this with my own money. I just wanted to show y'all what I got because I thought it was pretty. Yeah, I love the colors. So that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's not long. It's a short one, but yeah, I just wanted to show y'all, you know. So thank you guys for watching. I love y'all so much. Bye.